So welcome to the second milestone. In this milestone, we're going to show you a little bit of abstraction within SwiftUI and also create a tab view. So SwiftUI is great for creating abstraction because we can create these standalone views which can be used across all of our code. In order to use it across our code, we kind of need to pull it out from this main section. So what we're going to do is within our user modules on the left-hand column in the file directory, I'm going to click this edit button, which brings up a new menu. I'll click the little breadcrumbs and then select new file. And we're going to call this profileview.swift. Okay, so now I have a new file. So I don't need my shared view anymore. I've got my main and I've got my profile view. So if your tabs aren't appearing, click on your main, click on your profile view, and that will show the two. So we're going to copy out our code for our sub view. I'm going to cut Command X or hold down and cut it. I'm going to put this into our profile view. It's going to give you some errors initially. That's because we haven't imported our libraries. So copy those and paste them. Okay, so this page is now no longer showing it. We don't need to present our view controller because that only has to happen on our main one. I'm getting this error here. It's saying I still can't find it. So we need to use the public keyword for all of our methods and the main strut. And this will just set the permissions, which will allow it to be found by our main, okay? So if I hit run now, it should work as it did previously. Okay, now we're going to modify our main view. So I'm back in my main playground. I'll remove that profile view. We're going to create a tab view. Inside my tab view, I'm going to add in that profile view like I had before. I'm going to change the properties of this. So I'm using the dot operator, period. Look for the tab item. I'm going to add an image, system name, and I want to use person.fill. That's just gone to a new line, just wrapped around. Okay, so if I run this one now, I should have now a tab view and my little icon there. Okay, we want to make another view. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. I'm going to press edit. Click on the user module, new Swift file. This one is going to be called gameview.swift. Okay, inside game view, we're just going to copy everything that's inside profile view. I'm going to copy it across. Except we don't want it to be called profile view, we want it to be called game view. And instead of red, just so we can see a difference, I'm going to make that one blue. So I've now got two views, game view and profile view, which are being displayed inside my main view. Okay, so inside my main view, I'm going to create a second tab. So just like we did before, I can grab my profile view and I could present this twice. So if I press run, I've now got two tabs, but I want to change this slightly. So let's change it to game view. If I run it, I've now got a red one and a blue one. And then we just want to change the icon. So I'm going to change this to game controller.fill. Okay, I'll close this just so you can see the wrapping. But I now have my tab view completed, and this is the end of our second milestone.